Let's look at the top headlines first. Manipuri diaspora protest in New York and Washington, D.C. for peace in Manipur. Women folk demand CBI investigation from Hill first. Prime Minister Narendra Modi neglects Manipur issue, says Rahul Gandhi. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 6 p.m. today, Bishnupur District 5 p.m. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Let's look at the news in detail. Amidst a grand celebration of International Yoga Day led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the headquarters of United Nations, protests emerged in New York with people holding placards demanding peace in Manipur. PM Modi concluded the yoga event on Wednesday, which witnessed the presence of an overwhelming number of people of Indian origin mixed with yoga enthusiasts of other nationalities as well. Notably, the event created a Guinness World Record for the participation of people of most nationalities at a yoga session. On the other hand, protesters gathered nearby with placards stating, "We want peace in Manipur, why PM Modi silent, real Hindus don't lynch, save Manipur and stop violence in Manipur," among others. A video also showed a van displaying a message, "Hey Joe Biden, ask Modi why India is under a genocide watch today." PM's official maiden visit to the US comes at a time when more than 100 people have lost their lives in the violence between Meitei and Kuki communities in Manipur that broke out over a month ago. The Association of Meiteis in the Americas, AMA, also held peace demonstration at Washington, D.C. yesterday. The peace demonstration coincides with Narendra Modi's landmark first state visit to the USA to strengthen the US-India tie. The demonstration drew an extraordinary number of Meitei participants, including more than 70 individuals, including 10 children who traveled from various foreign cities across the United States. The inclement weather with rain showers throughout the day did not dampen the spirits of those who stood united for peace. Clad in ponchos and holding umbrellas, the level of commitment and dedication displayed by the attendees was truly remarkable. Furthermore, it was heartening to witness the overwhelming support from the local community in Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia. Additionally, from families and individuals from the nearby states, New York and New Jersey area made special efforts to travel a day before the event. Placards with slogans like "Ho Ima Manipur, Nangumba Leite Ima, Proud Meitei, Proud Indian, Peace is Possible," strongly condemned the violence were used. Dr. Rashri Kaisham, the event's spokesperson, Dr. Kaisham said she would like to take the opportunity to let the world know what is happening in Manipur, India. "We would like to request everyone in this country, to the world, to all the media houses to extend support to bring peace and focus on rebuilding," she added.
Today, we are gathered here from all over across America. We are strong, 70+ people gathered here today, requesting to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to accelerate peace. When we request for peace, it's for everyone in Manipur, India.
In an unprecedented move, over 2,000 women folk of Pangai on Thursday denied entry to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) team, which arrived to investigate the looting of a huge cache of arms and ammunition from the Armory Manipur Police Training College MPTC Pangai in wake of the ethnic violence that rocked Manipur. The large number of women folk gathered in front of the college's main gate around 2 p.m. and sat in front of it, blocking the entrance. The CBI team reportedly arrived around 3:30 p.m. but left the area after being denied entry by the crowd. Mention may be made that a mob allegedly stormed MPTC Pangai and reportedly stole a huge cache of arms and ammunition from the armory during the communal conflict that broke out in Manipur on May 3rd. Haingang Police Station registered a case and launched a probe to recover the stolen arms. Reports of looting of firearms by a mob of cookies from Kangpokpi Police Station around 2:30 p.m. on 4th May, a day after the riots began, triggered a chain of looting of arms including sophisticated weapons from various armories, police stations and battalions at multiple locations in the valley region of the state. A CBI team arrived at Haingang Police Station on Wednesday, wherein they set up a desk gathering relevant documents and information for hours to ascertain exactly how many weapons were looted from MPTC Pangai and to recover the arms.
Kanpurda hariba asugumba yamna laibak thiraba tarik ahum dagi kuki militant singna misam miam hatpa mayum mai thaba nupi angang hatpa sinbagi thabak asi satharak pagi mahorokpham oiriba Susanpurdana karigi Manipur laingak amadi center government investigation tawdraga Manipur gi tampaki lamda tawgane haibase yong lai me lai naiba adugumba miyeng ama yengbiganu center government Manipur gi praja singbo Indian gi citizen amari ni haibagi treat tawiu Indian citizen amagi treat natabida aduma maong mandaba miyeng yeng base akoi praja amoina akoi gi phangpham thongba haksing akoi phangriwa wa tangani loinana asigulaba tamtiraba irang ase horokpagi achauba daita oiriba pe dongel former DGP Manipur hariba adugumba ekoi gi DGP asigi mathakta karigi damakta leipak praja miyam asi normalcy taraknaba Manipur shanti puraknaba sarkar Manipur laingak amasung center government karigi damakta former DGP asigi bu nathaiduna karigi damakta upsalaga thamiba hariba kangluki irang asigi horokkamasi Susanpurda for ekoi gi IRB dagi ekoi gi nomai capture toba gun house tagi nomai capture toba aikoi khudimangna social media da khabar kagas ta loina uro hauta sarkar asina karigi damakta na thai biduna kaisul khangjadriba tampaki lamsingda aikoi gi investigation toba se we strongly condemn and we are not cooperate any kind of investigation
lan lojingai da CBI thajalakpa combing operation toba moina akoi bu cookie militant sing na akoi bu halan gani haibagi thodok sidi masi yam nungaite Kulai lakpa ubasi Infal gi MPTC dagi lakpa 7MR dagi lakpa hobanate gun house tugai basi Susanpurda IRB gi outpost tugai basi Susanpurda hobane kuk Susanpur gi praja amadi kuki amadi moi kuki militant singna Susanpur gi IRB outpost dagi gun house dagi nongmai tugai raga moi nongmai me am dalorgam mai tai praja gi yum kaya mai thagre misi mina kayam se nupi engang hale halabji bokda moi da CBI case tawdana CBI investigation combing operation tawdana tampak ta laga akoi da combing operation tawni CBI gi investigation loksan nyabagi mentality di akoi Manipur gi prajam akoi kudimangna section kudimangna akoi yab songamoi akoi free da swele toy akoi gi haksang di I marika ma chelige akoi chungya yabangamoi noina tawning ma kai tawdara su akoi hanbalai aduna Manipur dagi CBI halango CBI gi ujing matau leite akoi Manipur da shanti pame normalcy pame akoi gi Burma dagi changse laiba foreign gi khulai paiba laloba sing illegal immigrant sing takto Manipur da kuki militant gi sulok to akoi shanti poro.
The Congress on Thursday termed the all-party meeting convened by Home Minister Amit Shah on the Manipur situation as too little, too late, and said efforts to bring warring factions on the discussion table will lack seriousness if they are done sitting in Delhi. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi said it is clear that the all-party meeting is not important for the Prime Minister as it is being held at a time when he is not there. Manipur has been burning since 50 days, but the Prime Minister has remained silent. An all-party meeting was called when the Prime Minister himself is not in the country. Clearly, this meeting is not important for the Prime Minister, Gandhi said in a rally in Karnataka yesterday.
मणिपुर में आग लगी हुई है, लोग मारे जा रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री को कुछ लेना देना नहीं, होम मिनिस्टर को कुछ लेना देना नहीं, नफरत की राजनीति का नतीजा है, द्वेष मणिपुर में हो रहा है। अगर मणिपुर आज जल रहा है तो नफरत की राजनीति के कारण जल रहा है और इस राजनीति के खिलाफ हमने भारत जोड़ो यात्रा चालू की थी और यही हमारी विचारधारा है।
President Draupadi Murmu bestowed the National Florence Nightingale Awards for the year 2022 and 2023 to nurses at Rashtrapati Bhavan yesterday. The President awarded the Florence Nightingale Award 2023 to Irom Chandrabala Devi and National Florence Nightingale Award 2022 to D. Hangxing, A&M Auxiliary Nurse and Midwife. As the law order situation has improved gradually in Imphal East and West, relaxation has been extended till 6 p.m. today, whereas Bishnupur district remains as 5 p.m. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the 3 districts. People rushed to the market and shops to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. Local resident of Langomkhul, including Maira Paibis and Club, today repaired the road from Langomkhul to Kurkul. The road from Langomkhul village to Kurkul is one of the important roads in Lamsang Assembly constituency. Speaking to media persons, a local resident, Laishram Vijayata, said the road is being repaired by contributing 100 rupees from every household. The prevailing situation, it is not good time to urge the local MLA for repairing the road. Due to dilapidated condition of the road, many accidents happen. Besides, traveling on the road when emergency occurs is very difficult for the villagers. As such, the road is being repaired for the sake of the villagers, she added.
Club amadi mayam jingjiga punjin naraga koina lambi je angamba paisa puthok saraga koina lambi je semjabani aduga ngasagi sarkar maram matang sida koina MLA da hairuga dabasu irang jigama koina hairuba do natai sararoidra haibagi koina angamba mateng no akoi lekai si koina puthok saraga semjabani adagi akoi gi mayang langjing da leiba chekon gi mapu oriba akoi gi kaino konthau jam chawuse sina jumana chek simana pibirakpani aduga khoi angamba ni sabangi side dagi angamba pesa puthok saraga khoina lambi ji bu semjabani lambi ji budi hoi semba budi sahi ani mu ahum adumai waramadra sengi baneba adu semba sida khoi gi amka section da haiga dra kari fazana sembiram da bado aduna su gari di sum line chatpa dagi man puraga chatpa kai da su ma anjina su lambi ji sok ji sum henjaleba.
The dead body of a victim of the violent incident perpetrated by Kuki militants, which involved arson and shooting of people, that took place on 28 May at Sugunu Police Station, Sero area and Kakching district, was found at around 2 p.m. yesterday. The name of the deceased person was Atokpam Munindro Meitei, 70 years, son of late Ibotombi from Sero Ningthim Hiden. His highly decomposed body with only the skull and skeletal remains was found at the Manipur river bank at Sero Ningthim Hiden. His decomposed body was picked up by the police and taken to Jenem's mortuary. Atokpa Munindro Meitei was missing after the incident on 28 May and family members didn't know whether he was killed or still alive. His family members lodged a missing person complaint at Sugunu Police Station on June 7th. His body was found yesterday. Aztec Sports Manipur has been awarded Best Startup of the Year 2023 in sports in the recently held Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise MSME India Business Convention Award in New Delhi on June 17th. The event was hosted by Industry Live and partnered with National Small Industries Corporation NSIC, Government of India. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗꯅꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ
ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯇ ꯈꯜꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯆꯟꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ
ꯍꯦ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟ ꯂꯩꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯟꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒ ꯅꯪꯒꯅꯦ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯆꯒꯠ ꯆꯒꯠꯀ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯗꯅ ꯍꯦ
ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯄꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ Laishram Suresh Meitei Moirangthem Heman Meiteina Mapugi Sintha Loiraduna Aikoi Pumna Makpu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chechat Tara Humdoi Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leibak Pokpa Numitta Makogi Thawaina Mapugi Leikolda Leirangi Leinam Uinatin Kre Chatliba Chechat Taranipan Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingagi Kuntrani Panba Nongmaizing Numitta Mangani Leihun Tamjaraga Chatliba Chechat Kungamari Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingengi Tarukni Panba Thangza Numit Asida Lana Thoram Numit Thokle Thoram Asida Ahalaman Ima Ibel Maruk Mapang Sagainatai Itilinau Haumin Kaminarakpa Ekoinedi Sakhangja Hodraba Kwai Tarana Matam Chana Lengbidaktuna Mapugi Minkai Tabiranaba Amadi Haikat Leikat Tamba Yaubiranaba ELITETV ki Khotangda Pauzen Jari Ayuk Pung Nipan Laigi Thoram Hoba Ayuk Pung Mapan Isai Hoba Pauzen Jari Bising Yumnam Ongbi Tanobi Leima Surjit Kumar ki Loinabi Laishram Ongbi Ibem Leima Suresh ki Loinabi Moirangthem Ongbi Ngaubi Leima Heman ki Loinabi Oksu Ningthem Chakul Community Hall.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak na simaglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jenims Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Kunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjanabagi Kudom Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagidamak Specialized Oraba Tim Kaya Semdona Angang Singbu na Ringay Dagi Koiga Janaba Sinfam Gimaramda Sing na Mari Makong Taktuna Afaba Kunayama Oirak Nabahona Dunanga Sifabalak Career Solution Amagi Chapchana Guidance Tiba Haibasi Arriba Dinate Adubu Iburgidi Toina Nunsa Tiningai Oitre SS Career Solution na Akaknaba Plan Amadi Expertise Singa Putsinduna Sachakaknatana Community Level Dagi Hauraga Adom Adomgi Paidagi Chanaba Sinfamadu Mai Pakna Chatnanaba Same Sagani Aikuigi Mamalyam Laba Naha Singbu Tungge Chumalambela Madalam Jing Haurasi SS Career Solution na Piriba Kudong Chaba Singasi Kopna Kanta Haurasi
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tawraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hozare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani akopa morol gidama 9856575163 college address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu.
years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Suspected Kuki militants are reportedly loitering in Kangchup area. According to photographs received by ELITETV, one suspected Kuki militant named Sasat is reportedly loitering around the Kangchup area with sophisticated weapons like sniper and other local-made weapons. In the meantime, local-made bomb launchers, which is made by Kuki militants that was viral in social media, has been seized by the Manipur Police Commando, it is reported. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the India-US partnership augurs well for the future of democracy. Addressing the US Congress today, Mr. Modi said the US is the oldest and India the largest democracy. He said democracy is a culture that gives wings to thought and expression. The Prime Minister said India is blessed to have such values from times immemorial. He said in the evolution of the democratic spirit, India is the mother of democracy. Mr. Modi said together India and the US shall demonstrate that democracies matter and democracies deliver. He said we must revive multilateralism and reform multilateral institutions with better resources and representation that applies to all our global institutions of governance, especially the UN. PM Modi said when the world has changed, our institutions too must change or risk getting replaced by a world of rivalries without rules. He said in working for a new world order based on international law, the two countries, India and the US, will be at the forefront as partners. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is visiting Jammu and Kashmir today for a two-day tour, during which he will inaugurate and lay the foundation stones of various development programs. The Home Minister's visit holds great significance for the region as it underscores the government's commitment to development, security, and honoring the sacrifices of the security forces. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar said that several important issues, including the Manipur violence, will be discussed during the opposition meeting in Patna. He said incidents like people hitting the streets and creating law and order situation have been taking place, especially in non-BJP ruled states. The focus of the meeting is to deliberate on these issues and chalk out a future plan. The government has asked citizens to be cautious while opening any shortened URL sent over WhatsApp or SMS. Cyber fraudsters use such methods to mask phishing websites and Android malware, the government-run CyberDose Twitter handle said. Screenshots shared by CyberDose showed fraudulent URLs sent via texts masked as notices from the State Bank of India, SBI. India and the US agreed to end 6 trade disputes at the World Trade Organization, while India has agreed to remove retaliatory customs duties on 28 American products, such as almonds and apples. India had imposed customs duties in 2019 in response to the US imposing 25% and 10% import duties on certain steel and aluminum products in 2018. Funds parked by Indian individuals and firms in Swiss banks declined by 11% in 2022 to 3.42 billion Swiss francs, nearly 30,000 crore rupees, as per annual data from Switzerland's central bank. The decline comes following a 14-year high of 3.83 billion Swiss francs in 2021. The decline was largely driven by a sharp plunge of nearly 34% in customer deposit accounts. It's time for another short break. We'll be right back.
Admission Open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाखों session 2023-24 के admission हौजरे Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized तौरबा amati 5-year service complete ओइरबा Manipur da amata ngairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass toraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amadi aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani. Male and female punna apply toba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari. Course sing adudi international air hostess training, airport operation staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amadi, airport visits, institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amadi atopa state sing dasu khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
Lana Thauram Malem Taibang Panasida Ekoi Kwagi Irakta Tinjaramba Laishram Bankim Chandra Atopa Maming Abung Mathaina Magi Nungsijaraba Imung Manong Sagaina Tay Amadi Maruk Mapang Kwai Pumna Mapu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chaychet Tara Hundoi Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leba Popanumita Kamen Loki Aigezang Kunda Tokiba Laibak Tiba Thaudokta Taibang Chengjen Loiraduna Tengban Mapugi Lekolda Leirang Linam Una Tinkre Lakliba Chaychet Taramapan Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Nongmapan Ningthau Kabanumita Mangani Lehun Tamjaraga Lakliba Chaychet Kungamanga Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Taret Nipan Manomizing Numita Lana Tharom Thokle Numit asida Leiki Drabagi Tawaina Tengban Mapugi Lekolda Ingna Chikna Leijarunaba Angamba Karadang Langjaduna Taibang Mapugi Ngaklo Khada Sidaba Mapugi Mingkai Rolgalunina Katjagadori Thoromasida Ahan Laman Ima Iben Maruk Mapang Amadi Iche Ichal CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Ima Loop Sing Pumnamakna Matam Chana Lingbidaktuna Sidaba Mapugi Mingkai Rol Tambiranaba Elite TV Gi Khotangda Pauzenjari Lana Thoramasi Imungi Pibam Namaram Oiduna Imung Manong Neta Club Amadi Khulon Ironaba Laikai Sing CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Imalup Singalunina Pangthok Jaragani Pauzenjariba Imung Manung Amadi Neta Thoram Mafam Kangla Sangom Sang Awang Laikai Community Hall Imphal East Phone number 7005259973 Amadi 9366576106
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College gi na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum quality education bu pamjaba mairoi Mama Mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bi ho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani Admission open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBSE da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur ki Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi mingjanba hojare School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba National Thaki awardee kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee longdana lemna mingjanjagani Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathak mathakta phangba angangsing damak admission tuition fee lawdabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angangsingna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani class 11 gi admission fee lupa lising manga loinana prospectus lupa chani punna lupa lising manga chani khaktani akopa moral gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna first division da pass tawba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tawba satra chamada textbook lem na fanghangani loinana admission fees lupa lishing taruk oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facilities su leigani akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da lakpi.
Welcome back. Let's continue with the news updates. All on board the missing Titanic submarine have been declared dead after the U.S. Coast Guard found debris consistent with the catastrophic implosion of the vessel. Those on board included British billionaire Hamish Harding, one of Pakistan's richest men, Shehzada Dawood, and his son Suleiman, French explorer Paul-Henri Nargeolet, and Stockton Rush, CEO of submarines operating company Ocean Gate. Doha, Dubai and Istanbul are the world's most competitive job markets with highest number of candidates per LinkedIn job posting according to online resume builder Resume.io. These cities saw an average of 399, 283 and 168 applicants per job respectively. Other cities with competitive job markets include Johannesburg, Abu Dhabi, Madrid, San Jose, Buenos Aires, San Francisco and Tel Aviv. In the Taipei Open Badminton Tournament, Indian shuttler and third seed HS Pranoy will play the men's singles quarter-final match against Angus KLNG of Hong Kong in Taipei today. Pranoy powered with the quarterfinals yesterday, defeating Indonesia's Tommy Sugiarto 21-9, 21-17. Pranoy is the only Indian challenge left as Parupalli Kashyap lost to Chinese Taipei's Su Li Yang in men's singles pre-quarterfinals yesterday. Tanya Hemant also bowed out, losing to top seed Tai Zhu Ying in this round of 16. Earlier last night, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden held bilateral talks at the White House in Washington, D.C. yesterday. Prime Minister's office PMO said they reviewed the entire spectrum of India-USA ties and discussed ways to further deepen the partnership. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bakshi said the two leaders reviewed the various facets of India-USA ties and discussed ways to further deepen them for the peace and prosperity of people of both countries and for the global good. He said both leaders held talks together in their determination to take the comprehensive global strategic partnership to the next level. The Prime Minister said India and the US are creating a strong and futuristic relation by collaborating in fields like AI, space, quantum, semiconductors, and telecom. He said both countries are leaving the old buyer-seller relationship and moving forward with the transfer of technology, co-development, and co-production. Mr. Modi said the Artemis Accord between the United States and India is set to take space exploration to new heights, proving that the sky is not the limit. He said India-US relationship is not only important for both nations, but also for the world. The Prime Minister stressed that the most important pillar of India-US relations is the people-to-people ties. Mr. Modi said more than 40 lakh people of Indian origin are contributing to the development of America. The Prime Minister said India and America are working shoulder to shoulder in the fight against terrorism and extremism, and both agree that concerted action is necessary to end cross-border terrorism. Replying to a media query, Mr. Modi said no question of discrimination on the grounds of caste, creed or religion arises in India. He said that is why India believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. The Prime Minister said both India and America have democracy in their DNA. US President Joe Biden, in a press statement, said together US and India are unlocking a shared future. On the concluding day of 2 days-long G20 Labour Summit in Patna, several bilateral and multilateral meetings are scheduled to take place. The delegates will discuss the draft statement on universal social security, women, and the future of work. The summit is witnessing the participation of trade union leaders, experts, academia, and government officials. The G20 Labour Summit will also adopt a resolution which consists of a summary of consensus on core issues. Later in the day, a joint statement will be also issued by past, present, and future chairmen of Troika countries comprising Indonesia, India, and Brazil. The chairman of Labour 20 Group, Hiranmaya Pandya, will hand over the baton to the next chairperson, Ruth Coelho Monteiro of Brazil. The event is a precursor as the next presidency of G20 will be assumed by Brazil. The visiting delegates will watch the World Heritage Site of ancient Nalanda University tomorrow. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Manipuri diaspora protest in New York and Washington, D.C. for peace in Manipur. Women folk demand CBI investigation from Hill first. Prime Minister Narendra Modi neglects Manipur issue, says Rahul Gandhi. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 6 p.m. today, Bishnupur District 5 p.m. That's all for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.